Hey, Wolf. Wolf? This is this is the third day at the new home, Wolf. Do you feel, okay so far, Wolf? At the new home? Yeah. But you know what? Neighbor's dog bark really loud at you. I don't know why, Wolf. Is that how doggo, wants to know each other, Wolf? Hey, Wolf. I have banana for you, Wolf. Eat it, Wolf. Come on, Wolf. Banana is healthy for you, Wolf. Wolf, come on. You're gonna eat it? No, banana is not just for monkey. For dog is good too. You don't believe me? You should, Wolf. Trust me. You cannot just eat meat all the time, Wolf. Okay? Okay, bud? Come on. Hey, Wolf. Wolf? Come on. Sit. Okay. See, you are in your new backyard now. It's not big, right, Wolf? But hey, it's better than nothing, right? Okay, Wolf. Oh, you want a big backyard? Oh, I know you want a bigger one. Okay, one day, when who knows, you become so popular, right? On Facebook, Wolf. Wolf. Sit, Wolf. Why you yelled at me, Wolf? Why, Wolf? Okay. You can, if you want treats, you can ask nicely. Okay? But what, Wolf? It's not time for your treats yet. Just wait, okay? Okay?